Yes, yung binili ko na Skinitik to guys, mayroon na tong one partner na to sila, parang naka-discount na ka dito ba kasi yung price nito mga 53 yung dalawa, tapos binigyan ako nila ng freebies. So sulit naman guys, pero pag nagbili ka lang sa sarili mo, okay lang kasi yung parang yung sa sarili mo lang bibilhin mo, kasi pag nagbili ako nito tapos ibibinta ko ay hindi ka na makaginansya kaya mahal na. So maganda guys, solid. So update sa 1 week ko na kasi ayun ang nilagyan ko ng foundation, tapos itong wala. So there is nothing here and there is here. So I'm applying here, I'm not put in here. So but this is retinol guys, maganda talaga to sa sun. Pag lumabas ka, maganda to kasi nakakatulong to sa healthy healthy skin, and to make more lighten your skin, to make more brighter, glowing, and natatanggal yung mga acne, mga dark spot, mga pimples mo. So nagiging healthy yung skin mo. So at the end of the day, nagiging hiyang and young looking skin, and flawless and healthy. So more especially, we need to have achieve the skin brighter, so it will help the daily routine of your skin to make young and pretty. So yes guys, huwag kayong mahihinayang magbili ng mga skincare nyo kasi dito tayo sa Australia, so hindi na tamang hihinayang kung mahal or hindi naman gaano kamahal, as long as you have work, as long as you have money. So you don't tell that you are expensive, but it's your personal use, personal things, but it's help for your personal appearance, to make more confidence and healthier skin, and more achievement of your daily routine to make more brighter your skin, and even dito guys, so mahal. So hindi ka na manghihinayang sa pagbili, kay nagtatrabaho ka nga para makabili ka ng gusto mo. So pag iniisip mo yung pira guys, hindi talaga sa isip sa sarili ko, kasi hindi ako ganyan. Pag gusto kong bumili, gusto ko magkinis yung mukha mo. So look at the skin. So ito ang Hamisan guys, Hamisan user na ako guys. So 5 months Hamisan, mag 6 months na. So nilagyan ko ng powder, like all type of foundation. This is like a milky, wet milky, like foundation, all type of cushion. There is a benefit of this foundation guys, kay matanggal yung mga mga itim-itim, mga dark spot. So makaber up. So while nagcover up siya sa imuhang paglagay, in the future, nagiging healthy siya, nagiging flawless siya, nagiging glowing skin, and young looking, and more beautiful. Yes, go na guys for the guna. Let's go.